Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome to the last Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. It's Tuesday, August the 25th, 2020, the last Sudoku. It's a tectonic one, a.k.a. Suguru, and this will be a number 1408. Yes. And yeah, a Suguru one. Let me scan this whole Suguru Tectonic. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question, can we see here a single box? I see here the single box. The single box, always the one. Do we have a dual box? I see here a dual box. I cannot fill this yet. The dual box, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark them, 1 and the 2. Do we have more? Yes. A triple box. I see here a triple box. 1, 2, and 3. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark them. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Here, 2 boxes left in this area. The 4 and the 2. Let me mark them. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. And then. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 2 boxes left for the 1 here or there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me see. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. The 2 and the 3 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be the 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 2 boxes left for the 3 should be here or there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. We have a 2 here. That means these 3 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. This box can be a 1, so 2 boxes left for the 1 should be here or there. 3. This box cannot be a 3. Yeah, with a 3 there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here or there. Then this box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 2 boxes left for the 5 here or there. This box cannot be a 1. These two boxes cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 1. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These two this box cannot be a 3 because we have a 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. Complicated. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. Then. Let me think. Ay. 1, 2, 3. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And this should be the 2. We have a 2 here, that means these two boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These two boxes should be for the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them for you. 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. These two boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These two boxes should be reserved for the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be the 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, it's a 3. We have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4. This should be a 5, and this should be a 4. This box should be the 5, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, it's a 5. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark them. We have a 1 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark them. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. That means that this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be the 3. This should be the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. So 1 box left should be for the 5. Yes, the 5. We have a 5 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then I have marked those 2 boxes with a 2. I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. I cannot place the 4 here because otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here. This box is reserved for the 3. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. That means this box cannot be 2 or 4. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. So I've eliminated the 5, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 box left should be the 5. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Yes, 2 and a 3. This box cannot be 2 or 4, cannot be a 1, cannot be a 5. This box should be a 3. Cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes. This box should be the 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2 or 3. We have a 2 and a 3 here. Should be the 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, should be the 4. 2 boxes left, 5 and a 2. That means that this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 3, this should be a 2. We have a 1 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. We have a 4 here. That means this box cannot be a 4. This should be the 4 and this should be the 2. We have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be the 5. We have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4 and this should be the 2. We have a 2 here. This cannot be a 2. This should be the 2 and this should be the 4. We have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4 and this should be the 2. Yes. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5. The 5 should... 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be a 5 anymore. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box is reserved for the number 3. We have a 5 here, so this box can't be a 5 anymore. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finished in 30 minutes exactly. Yes, I like this one. Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru. Do you think so? Do you like it? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching this great video. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. We will meet again soon. So, bye bye for now.